Criplash.
Hi, here your host Kobe, or aka Crypto Quagmire, giggity go, in a new video about a new crypto project. Today project, it's gonna be blowing the crypto industry as well. They'll be hitting a potential price is good by the majority of their community. So guys, before we start, do not invest too much money that you are not willing to lose, and always invest wisely. So guys, hit the subscribe button and like and comment to see what your thoughts about it. So guys, let's go after this short intro.
Welcome back to Crypto Lash. In today's video, we will be taking a look at Stabull or Finance, the stablecoin that won't break. And this is launching on a ProBit Global. So as always, remember the usual disclaimer that nothing here today should be taken as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and you should treat this strictly for educational purposes. And you can find the links to everything I mentioned here down below in the description. So Stabull is not just another stablecoin hedged to USD. Stabull is an algorithm, is stable asset protocol backed by a diversified basket of assets: Bitcoin, Ethereum, blue chips, and major DeFi tokens. This diversification provides better stability, insulation from market chaos. So how does Stabull actually work? It's very, very simple. What you need to do is deposit your stable coins. Stabull will then allocate behind the scenes into yield strategies, delta hedging, and protective risk management. It's like an automated fund manager that optimizes both yield and security. Everything is backed by real, verifiable on-chain reserves, updated in real time, and not quarterly reports. So we can see you can simply add liquidity to these stable pools and then start, which is really nice. They, of course, have their swap, so you can swap your tokens on here. Additionally, we've got the pools and then stable coins. So this is a nice in-depth about the different stable coins that they do have. So Stabull itself is built to be scalable cross-chain with a DAO governance coming down the line. And it isn't just about staying paid, it's about staying intelligent. So we've got some tokens here. Let's go rapid fire. We've got the New Zealand dollar stablecoin. We have the Lira. We have the 1GDT, the pound token, pegged to the pound. We have the Euros. Gwen is the GMOZ trust for the Japanese yen. We have the Brazilian-backed Singaporean dollar, USDC and USDT. Of course, you know that. We have DAI and Philippine peso coin. So again, with all of these pairing, this is fully backed and verifiable, and of course, being safe against that volatility backed by those different types of assets. And then in the vaults here, we can see where you can stake your LP tokens and earn from the fees. So you can dive deep into the white paper, going pretty into detail. Again, there's a lot to cover in one video, but if you are interested in Stabull, of course, first you want to be ready for the Launchpad happening via ProBit Global to pick up your stable tokens. And we can see, of course, the vesting period. And again, Living currency is the most traded asset with legacy problems. And Stabull here is an AMM optimized for stablecoins and RWA, where real-world assets need a real-world pricing. And Stabull is the on-chain oracle. Again, many different use cases for remittance, FX, and commodity trading and payments, and a lot of utility behind this token here. Again, with their staking, liquidity incentives, governance going down the line, protocol access. Here we can see the tokenomics. So supply max of 10 million tokens, 5% public sale, 20% GRL, which is permanently locked, and 30% liquidity mining emitted over 10 years. And here we can see the risk. So the roadmap, of course, we have that GGE. Then they'll be adding the aggregator, cross-chain bridge, going to base chain, and some more RWA for pools. Then, of course, the governance, Oracle protection, and much more. Of course, the stable staking. And then, of course, with cross-chain swaps, risk management dashboard, and more. with many big advisors and partners behind this one. So check out Stabull for yourself. Again, be ready for that Launchpad idea happening on ProBit Global. We have all of the different stablecoins, liquidity mining, of course, here. And you can take a look at some of their partners and supported chains. So we can see here, you can find out all about the Stabull IEO happening on ProBit Global. So ProBit Global is a top cryptocurrency exchange. Let's take a look at these features, and then we can view the ProBit Global Launchpad happening. So ProBit Global is a top crypto exchange here. You can buy and sell your favorite cryptocurrencies with ease, unlimited access to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 800 plus altcoins in 1,000 plus markets. So you can use their desktop application. Additionally, they do have a mobile app. This is available on the Google Play Store and also on the Apple App Store. So no matter your device or where you are, you can access the ProBit Global Exchange. So they have quite a few announcements and a lot of new listings happening on the exchange, which I really, really like. In terms of the markets here, we can see some popular trades with volume, top gainers sorting by different time periods, and of course the new tokens, which is my favorite section here, showing a brand new listings on the exchange. So here we can see uncovered the next crypto gem with some brand new listings. So you can build your portfolio in just a few clicks with fiat unwrapped support with more than 50 currencies. You can buy your favorite crypto using Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay, or a bank transfer. Additionally, they offer trading smart art with their automated trading bots and support in 40 plus languages. So again, no matter where you are, you can use the ProBit Global Exchange. So they have their cold wallet storage. So 95% of ProBit Global digital assets are stored in cold wallets to protect users from security breaches and theft. There are encryption algorithms. So personal information and wallet keys are encrypted multiple times to ensure privacy. We have 2-bit authentication, supporting FIDO security keys and software-based 2FA for secure user login, and zero hacking. ProBit Global boasts a flawless track record in keeping customer funds safe, with 0 hacking incidents reported since inception. So again, you can get the mobile app for crypto in your pocket, and it's a world-class crypto experience awaits. So of course, first up, we can purchase your crypto. This is your on-ramp, so you can use whatever currency you would like and purchase a multitude of different cryptos. Additionally, there are also different service providers depending on what you are purchasing, which is very, very nice. Then for the trading section, we have spot trading. So this is where we can trade that 800 plus different altcoins. Of course, here we have Bitcoin, but we can go down and look at Ethereum, USDC, XRP, Pepe, Doge, Sui, TRX, Solana, and more. So here we can see the launchpad for the Stabull token. Here, of course, all of the details. This is running on until the 18th, and we can see, depending on your currency, you can get a bonus on your Stabull tokens. Again, be ready for this to start because it will be a pretty hyped launch here. So make sure to check out ProBit Global to get part of the Stabull Finance Launchpad happening to get that token on release, and of course, test out Stabull Finance for yourself. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.